You have wonderful blueberry bushes but are sick to death of the birds eating all your berries? Well, keep watching. I'll show you my trick. Hi everyone, this is Audra and this is my Magnolia street garden, and today I want to talk to you about blueberries and birds. I have a whole bunch of great blueberry bushes, but every year the birds eat the berries before I can get to them. And you can see here my blueberry bushes are loaded with berries. So I'll put in a before picture of what my blueberry patch looked like. It used to be just edged by bricks, and I had it partially covered with bird cloth. It was just kind of rigged up and it was just not working. If you want to see what that looked like, well, just click the link and you can take a look for yourself. My solution was to build a series of 4 trellises like this with grow boxes at the bottom, and then I'm stringing bird cloth in between. I have this section done already, and there's what it looks like now, and I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. But anyway, I'm gonna walk you through the process of how I completed this project. Alright, I'm going to show you my progress so far. I've got all the beds made and filled and planted, and I've got all 4 trellises up. So I've got green beans planted there, strawberries, some petunias, and then I've got more green beans and flowers and some volunteer squash thing that came up. I'm not sure what it is. And then I'm going to put butternut squash on this one, and that far one is going to have cantaloupe. Alright, here's what I'm using. I'm using 14 by 14 foot bird netting, 3 of these I think. And then I'm going to string it kind of like a curtain using this baling twine. So we'll see how that goes. This ended up being quite a project, but I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. And after all, when you get to save the blueberries from the birds, I think it's all worth it. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, tell me what you're growing and what works with your blueberries, and subscribe for more great information. See you next time.